Hello you guys, be welcome to Alamo School online classes. For today's classes we're going to have 4 ability areas, okay? So we're going to talk about grammar class, vocabulary, reading class, and listening class. And if you're ready, please don't forget it to get ready your student book and your workbook. By the way, your pencil case too, okay? So if you're ready, we're going to start now. Okay, you guys, we welcome now. It's time to go on page 44 and we're going to start to work, okay? At the beginning of the class, I need to explain about the predictions, what kind of auxiliary we can use. We can use this one on page 45. You're going to see that we have 4 auxiliaries, the ones to help us to predict something. The first one is going to be will. Will, we use it when we're going to talk about the general predictions. As you can see, here is the examples. Robert will arrive on time. Or you can say, I don't think Robert will arrive on time. It means in the distance or far away, yeah? So predictions based on the present evidence, we're going to use be going to. In this case, we're going to use verb be, okay? Am, are, and is. So you are going to say, she looks like she's going to have her baby very soon. So the difference between each other is that you can see the will is not necessary when we say or we try to speak with this auxiliary. We're not going to use verb be. I just have to say will, okay? But if I'm going to use be going to, I need to use the verb be, am, are, and is. And the last one, may and might. Okay, in this case, you can see that we use these ones when we talk about less certain predictions. That may is gonna happen or may is not gonna happen. Don't forget it that we can use our will, and will has the negative form will not. But if you prefer, you can use the contraction form won't. You can say Robert won't arrive on time, okay? So if you understand this sections, we can continue with the class. Don't forget it, look, this one. We will and going to, we can use probably to make a predictions. With this auxiliaries, we can use it as a predictions. We can use it finally and probably. Now, if you're ready, let's go. Now, what I want you to do is you have to go here on exercise number 2, for this page is going to be 44. So what I want you to do is you have to read the articles about the future or shopping, and you have to pick one. The first step that you have to do is underline the words, the new word that you get learning in your vocabulary class, okay? The vocabulary have to be the new words. You have to underline the ones that maybe you don't know. If you're going to say, okay, here's will, and the word that maybe I don't know is maybe this one. So you have to underline and you have to copy on your notebooks, okay? So you have to read the articles, you have to copy your checklist about the new ones, and you have to underline the expression that you have the auxiliaries predictions, okay? If you have going to, or you use will, or you use may or might, or maybe probably or definitely. Are you ready? So go ahead, it's your time. Okay, you guys, almost done. So now what I want you to do is you have to go on page 45. These are the section about reading. So what I want you have to do here, okay guys, choose the correct option to complete the text in this exercise. You have to read the title, the headlines, then we're going to underline the best option based on the future predictions. Yep. If you have a plans, you're going to underline going to. If it's maybe general predictions, you're going to just will, okay? So what I want you to do is you have to underline, and later on you have to pick one of this one. If you pick this, or you're going to choose this one or this one, and you have to write on your notebooks, reading notebooks, about the lecture. Don't forget it to write or draw your mind map, and then write your checklist, and then after that you have to write your personal opinion about what do you think about the future, what do you think about what kind of world we're going to have in 2050, okay?